32 years back, I started my profession. I'm basically a nutritionist and a dietitian. I started from there. I was a dietitian in PGI Chandigarh. Then I changed to the, with that, because of this knowledge, then I went to beauty industry. I did my makeup, my skin, my aesthetic courses. And then we initially combined both the nutrition, beauty and wellness and started Cleopatra. So when we started Cleopatra, that time the spas were also not there in India. So, the day spa where the wellness was also there, the spa therapies were there, the nutrition part was there, the beauty part was there. So we started that way. So, my knowledge and further upgrading it into the beauty industry really made a lot of difference, and it has really helped. And, with the changes, we've also changed, we've also added things, we have added in our own skill also more things, and now I'm with Skill India, I'm with the BWSSC Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Counseling, passing whatever we have gained over the year to the next generation. So I mean, it is
so really we must say that you have actually evolved yourself, not just as the spa, but as a person as well. So any message to Gen Z? I must say that the people who are actually venturing in this profession, they find it really competitive. They need shortcuts to be successful. So what's your take on this?
I would say that the instant, because with the Insta and other beauty platforms, what has happened is that people are looking for a very quick fix results. You put a post and they want immediately a like, they want immediate response. I would say to this generation that hard work matters. The quality, it is not what you're posting is what matters. It also more important is what you deliver, what you say. Are you delivering that? Because ultimately I've seen in my past 32 years, it is a quality, it is it is the services, it is the client satisfaction that matters. That is something which stays. So please ensure that whatever you do it with the heart. Do not quickly change. People are quickly changing the jobs, people are quickly changing the their professional skills and all. So stick to it, grow in that, keep learning. The best thing and the most important thing is keep yourself skill upgraded always. Keep learning, because learning is endless. More you learn, better you will be, better you will be able to give it to the others.
Absolutely. Talking about Cleopatra, we have seen your team members since long. I mean, journey, whether it is from Sector 18,
Sector 8,
Sector 8,
Chandigarh,
and now